To you from the studio again. This time I'm using the camera in a different. I'm using the forward-facing camera. It looks kind of dark. I'm not sure if that's how you're seeing it, but to me it looks a little bit dark. So I'm just going to try this one to see if this is any different. There's like a 1.3 megapixel camera on the forward-facing one, and an 8 megapixel camera on the regular one, the good one, the HD. This I don't believe this is HD. Yeah, it's a little slower, but anyway, this T-Mobile HTC One S is a really amazing phone. I love it. Couldn't have asked for a better phone, and wow, the technology is amazing on it. But anyway, today at the gym, did legs and abs again. I'm kind of doing abs every day, not real heavy, but one of the mistakes I had made in the past was thinking that every muscle in the body is the same, even though we have slow twitch and fast twitch muscles and muscle fibers. I was under the impression that if I do abs once a week, or maybe twice a week at the most, like I do any other body part, or you can do like with biceps or triceps, you're going to work them, two and sometimes 3 times a week. But I was doing it once and didn't get the results that I wanted. So this time I'm trying it a little bit different. And it's been a long time, a couple of years at least, 3 years from last time I worked out. And so I'm going to try it like every other day, sometimes every day, just not a lot. But I did manage to do about 30 minutes of abs today. Lots of various exercises using the yoga ball and different things. Some of the machines that they have there are really nice at LA Fitness. And then I did legs, and I did a lot of their machines. No free weights. I'm not about to do squats yet. I will do them because those are really the best exercise as far as building mass and stuff like that. And I'm not into getting really big. I just know that to do this challenge, I want to give myself the best odds possible in this short time, which is only 84 days. And I've got about 30 days, somewhere around a month. So the second month now, I'm going to be eating more calories. I want to bring in about an additional 100 calories or at least, and then I won't gain too much fat. But you can't do both. You can't burn fat and at the same time really build muscle. It can't be done. You have to have a surplus of calories in order to build muscle. And so then after that, and the last 30 days, I will go down, bring down my caloric intake. And at that point, I'll be, consuming less calories. And at the same time, I'm going to lose muscle because you will, if you're burning, muscle is the first thing that's used. And so you will lose a little. In fact, like if you look at bodybuilders when they're cutting weight, they lose some of their muscle mass, and that's just normal. But at the same time, they get really thin-skinned, and I'm not looking for that look. But I want to increase my chances of looking good at the time, and probably stay out in the sun a little bit longer, get some tan to show some of the detail. But anyway, we'll see what happens. From now on, I'm going to be using the free weights, and it was fun today doing calves a little bit, and getting back into it, pushing some heavy weight with these machines. These Life Fitness machines are great. So anyway, I'll get back to you a little bit later. Until the next time. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.